Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic shortcut tutorials how to increase audio volume. Okay, we have this example video, and if you want to increase audio volumes, you can go to filter tabs and then click plus icon. Now you can search in here, type into volume and click at this option gain or volume. Now to increase the audio, you can click at this bar and then you can move to the right. So it will be automatically increase the audio. If you want to decrease, you can move to the left into here to decrease, and then to increase, you can move to the right. Okay, that's it for basic shortcut tutorials how to increase audio volume. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.